All right, guys, here's the 80-20 of finding a trading company. Let's say you were looking for horse masks, okay? Look at them, look at the names. If it says trading company, out immediately. And then the rest of it, go look at their actual company and just look at the rest of the products that they sell. So product categories, this is probably a trading company because they sell notebooks, folders, passports, planners, pen cases, tablet cases. They also sell horse masks. So, this definitely a trading company because they just sell so many different things that it doesn't really make sense that they would sell or make all of these. Whereas this other one is, this one, they just sell masks and all sorts of variations of masks. So that makes sense that they are a mask factory versus somebody who's just selling everything underneath the sun and has this as their background. Why is this their company background? Like, that's not really selling me that I want to do business with them. Lucky Store Industrial. Yeah, so there's your quick overview. Just look at their products, look at their name, look at how much time they put into their descriptions, and you want to kind of visualize this company in your head and, does it actually make sense that they would make all of these and do them? So I guess what my tip here is, as we're looking at the prices on Alibaba, we want to be looking at this. Is it extremely high? Then probably, avoid that supplier. And if it's extremely low, you don't need to cut them out, but it's something to just take into account. Find something that's generally in your range, but knowing that actually looking and finding the best manufacturers by the other methodologies that we talk about, and then getting the actual quote from them is going to be the best methodology because the price that they list is kind of clickbait just to get you to come into the listing or something. But a high price is going to indicate that it's probably a trading company. So, and same if it's a low MOQ, it is. So really low MOQ, high price, probably a trading company. So yeah, this is about in the right price range, $1.75 to $3.08 and whatnot. This 12 cents, you're not going to get these for 12 cents a piece. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Or if you guys have any other tips I didn't mention, leave those in the comments below.